Welcome to today's edition of the AII, watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to another episode of the AII podcast. For stock news today, Veritone subsidiary PandoLogic is launching its AI hiring solution PandoDiversity, and Generative AI Solutions is acquiring Global AI Billing. Then we're going to take a look at some projections for the global text-to-video AI market. But just before we jump into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, as well as many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Veritone Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as VERI, has announced that AI hiring solutions provider PandoLogic, also its wholly owned subsidiary, is launching PandoDiversity at this week's Unleash conference in Las Vegas. PandoDiversity, according to the press release, is designed to help customers attract and recruit underrepresented job candidates, employing AI-based programmatic recruitment technology to help automate and optimize hiring campaigns, remove bias in the recruitment funnel, and enhance data transparency. PandoLogic's CEO Terry Baker comments, quote, "We all know that a diverse workforce is vital to an organization's success. Many organizations focus on diversity compliance, which is important and often difficult to execute. But PandoDiversity is focused on making it easy and producing real diversity results." End quote. Generative AI Solutions Corp., which trades on the CSE under the ticker AICO, has signed a non-binding letter of intent to acquire all of the outstanding securities of Global AI Billing Corp. For $7.5 million of its common shares, and the assumption by Generative AI of $1.25 million USD in existing liabilities of Global AI Billing. Ryan Selby, the CEO of Generative AI Solutions Corp., said, quote, "This proposed acquisition has the potential to give us a stakeholder position in a company that has utilized AI technologies to assist collections in the multi-billion-dollar medical industry in the United States. The proposed acquisition is consistent with our goal to develop and acquire strategic artificial intelligence assets that are used, among other things, to streamline operations for increased efficiencies and reduced costs. We are well equipped to not only assist such strategic acquisitions with additional development resources, but also develop artificial intelligence technologies internally using our team of AI experts." End quote. All right, we're going to turn our attention from stocks now to a report published by Research and Markets, which finds that the global text-to-video AI market is projected to grow from $47.7 million USD in 2018 to $961.9 million by 2028, registering a compound annual growth rate of 36.3% in the forecast period, running from 2018 to 28. The following excerpt from the report's description outlines the impact of AI on the market. Quote, "Text-to-video AI is an AI system that converts text instructions into brief, high-quality video segments. The algorithm learns the environment based on paired text-image data and how it moves based on video footage with no related text. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a game changer for video makers. AI is revolutionizing the production and consumption of video content by automating menial activities and boosting the creative process." End quote. And that's it for today's AII. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/ audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences.